Excuse me, sir. You work here?
No, I just hang around here for fun. I'm joking. How can I help you, friend?
I know this sounds crazy. Some dumb old coot I know is telling me there's these houses you can buy pre-cut.
Not crazy, friend. The very latest in modern convenience. Convenient and cost-efficient. Which house do you want? Each one is entirely unique, but also the same.
Excuse me?
Perhaps I'm going too fast, sir. Do you want to buy a house?
I think so.
I'll give you a luxurious, entirely unique, pre-cut palace. And if you order today, I guarantee you're home in a matter of weeks, maybe sooner.
I'll take that one.
Ah, yes, we have that one in stock.
And I already got credit from the bank.
Oh, fantastic. Now, you write your name here, and you sign your name there, and you will be the proud owner of a factory-built home.
It's that easy.
Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Martin. Albert Cakes, Esquire, at your service.
You boys give me a minute.
What are you doing here? Everything okay?
I'm not sure. Probably. Fella came by the farm. Got attacked on the road. He said the Skinner brothers was hanging around. Lots of them. I left Uncle armed to the teeth back at the ranch.
Who are these two?
Guns for hire? If they're Skinner's about, we need them.
We ain't got that kind of money, Charles.
You want to get robbed for your house?
No, but...
Hey, these Skinners can be nasty. Come on. Mr. Devon, you're with me. Mr. Wayne, this is...
Milton. Jim Milton.
Sir, good to meet you.
We're gonna be heading up to the Manzanita post.
Why?
The best smith around is that Norwegian fella up there.
So they say. You boys ready?
Yes, sir, we're ready.
Good. Because you're about to get shot at over a goddamn hammer.
You want to build a house with a sniper rifle, then?
I know old Neil's real well. I'll get you a good deal.
Thank you, sir. All right, then. Let's go buy us some tools.
I know the quickest way. Follow me.
Say, is your friend a Negro or a Redskin?
I think a bit of both, for what it's worth.
Cash is cash, though it's all the same to me. I saw you getting skittish there, but don't you worry. We're not getting shot at.
Oh, yeah. I know Charles Smith. If he's got cause to be concerned, it's usually good cause.
You got a shotgun messenger sitting right beside you, all right? I suppose you don't know much about robbing caravans.
Not much, I guess. No.
Well, nor do I. But I know a thing or two about protecting them. And if a robber sees some strong men sitting up front, 2 of them guns for hire, then they're gonna wait for the next set of fools to come on through.
Unless they take the guns to mean they're carrying something valuable. Instead of pre-cut timber and some tools.
What? No. Wait, look, trust me on this. You are overthinking it. You hire a gun, you hire peace of mind and a deterrence. So I'll sit here looking big and scary, and you can concentrate on the horses.
All right. I'll do just that.
Maybe I've done this kind of thing before, and maybe I can handle a weapon. But I'm not so different from you, partner.
I think you might be.
Hey, we're taking the next right up towards Manzanita Post.
What were you saying?
People wonder how you can handle it, living by your gun. But it's the same as any other occupation, really. When I get home, I put my gun on the rack and it stays there. I mean it, it really stays there. I don't even think about it. My mind's on my wife and the little ones. I'm chopping wood, mending the roof, putting the kids to bed. But when I'm out here, I'm watching the tree line. I got my gun at the ready. And I'm trying to make my employer as comfortable as possible.
That's, real good of you.
You're in good hands. I know this country well.
Good. Am I finally gonna meet this tool maker?
Now, Niels, he's an acquired taste, but boy, can he work metal. Norwegian, you see? Viking blood. Fellas up there used to worship a god with a hammer. Guess I figures they'd still be making them. I'm not sure how much English he speaks, but Niels knows tools. And he knows me, so we'll see if we can get him to give you some. They won't be free. They won't even be cheap. But they'll be worth what you pay.
I've already bought a house and hired you today. So might as well keep spinning while I'm at it.
This is the spot. Just up ahead.
Okay.
You boys wait here.
After you, Mr. Milton. Like I said, Nils is an acquired taste. Let me do the talking. There he is, working away.
Nils. Nils, it's me. Willard Wayne.
Okay.
This is my associate, Jim Milton.
Okay.
He heard you was the best smith around. He needs some tools. He's building a ranch house up at Beecher's Hope.
Beecher's Hope, okay.
Have you got any made?
Okay.
Like I said, an acquired taste, but a heart of gold, and he's the best. You off someplace, Nils?
Okay.
So Milton is working with Cake's Hardwood and Timber in town. Should I get them to pay you and add it to his bill up there?
Okay.
Come on, let's get moving.
Okay.
All right, then. Beecher's Hope. They've been trying to sell that property for some time, hadn't they? Took a look at it myself, as it so happens. Seemed like a lot of work. Too much for me. But more power to you. Must have seen something in it I couldn't. World needs men like...
Everyone find some cover! God damn! Keep your head down! What the hell is going on? Goddamn bastard! Look out! What's the matter? Watch it! He's running at you! You okay? What the fuck? They're coming out of the woods! He get you out of here! They're all around us! Hold on over there! They got around us! Look out! They're pulling back! Come to the wagons!
All right. You alive? For now. Mr. Devon, you okay?
Yes,
That the last of them?
I think so. There's more! They got the tools! They grabbed Mr. Wayne!
All right, you stay here, guard the wagons. Charles, come on!
Help me! Mr. Milton! Mr. Smith! Mr. Devon! I said help me! Got me! Over here! You mean they drew us in? They're getting away with it! The trees! Shoot the ones up there first! You ride together. Shoot that bastard off his branch!
are they coming from?
I don't like the sound of that!
Come on!
Let's keep moving! We gotta be gaining on them!
I hope so! They're like ghosts!
I'll find them if you can! What the hell are they doing? Lock your phone! Let's go! Where'd they take us?
Mr. White! Mr. White! We're coming!
You're already dead, mister.
Keep going.
Where's Wayne?
Let's search these trees. Mr. Wayne!
Mr. Wayne!
Can you hear us?
Mr. Wayne! Charles, I found the tools. Now, where's Mr. All right. Shit. Jesus. We gotta move fast. Come on.
Let's go. Back to the road.
God damn it! A few minutes ago, he was chewing my ear off.
He knew what he was getting into.
Did he?
Skinners. Everyone knows.
Except me.
Later, John.
Charles, you all right carrying him?
I got it. There's no use in you getting bloody, too.
Is it bad?
They opened him up pretty good. Nearly chopped his head in two.
God damn them.
Mr. Wayne didn't make it. Dear Lord, no. We have to get out of here. You take him in the back wagon. Come on, help me. Oh my Lord. What'd they do to him?
All right, let's get out of here.
Got it. Come on, we gotta go. Get us back to Beaches. More of these fellas.
Those were the Skinner brothers.
I told you I was worried.
Sadie said something too. What kind of land have I bought?
It's not the land. The Skinners move around. They're here for now.
I thought this kind of bloodshed was meant to be over with. What was all the nonsense about civilization?
This kind of bloodshed is different. Folks have been killed, sure. For good reason and bad. But rarely just for the fun of it.
That was fun for them?
No, not that time. Most folk don't usually put up with such a fight.
Then I hope we put an end to it.
There was a caravan, a few months back, massacred. Men, women, children. Ended up like Wayne. Or worse.
Damn. Uncle! 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 You useless sack of crap.
I was keeping guard.
Really?
Whoa. What happened?
Skinner brothers.
Lot of them?
Enough. Once this is done, I'll take Mr. Devon back to town and get poor Mr. Wayne buried.
Okay. Be careful.
Oh, I will. But I'm fairly sure we scared him off for now.
Bad business. Well, we'll be safe together.
Sure. If you say so.
And John, I love you. Don't you forget that.
Got something. Still a ways off. I'll catch up to you. You close? What's that, girl? That's a hell of a lot of game.
Well, shit, see a quarrel. Hello, my wily old friend. I figured you'd die free. Color me impressed, partner. Boy, the things I can make with this.
Whoa, easy. What's this, then? When you make these? I can find you. I reckon we're near. Come on, girl. One more time.
In hides, folks, clothes, equipment, saddles, all made right here. Well, of all the... If someone said I'd see Tatanka brought in cold today, I'd have said they were mad. Yet there she is. Oh, I'd pay just about any price for this.
I wonder... Still a ways off. Well, you're not here. I reckon we're near. That should do us.
Well, damn, a white pronghorn. Wait till I tell Francisco about this. Oh, I'd pay just about any price for this.
This will be okay. That's right. Remember, this ain't about a ride, huh? Let's see. Easy. About a ride, huh? See? I ain't too happy about this, huh? Now. This. Hey now. See me? See, we ain't. Come on. There. We'll get stopped. That's it. Hey.
Remember you. Passed through here some time ago, huh? All right, take a look. Mm-hmm, can do. Nice.
Well, it's been a little while, eh? So, buying or selling? Fine clothes. Sure. Looks like you have everything. Good choice. Here, should do the trick. I have. Okay. Fine clothes. That's the complete set, I believe. That's the whole set, huh? Nice.
You see anything we should be worried about?
Skinners? No. Seems quiet.
Good. Maybe that was all of them.
Don't get all worked up, John, my boy. Maybe you got something to add here.
Not just a cheat, but a coward, you piece of crap.
Hey, you come on. What'd I do? Huh?
You're in with the trouble, old man. Wanna die somewhere, son of a bitch.
Some help you were.
Ah, you were fine.
Didn't feel so fine. Anyway, I'll see you back at Beecher's. That's enough excitement for one day.
Maybe mix in some coffee with your next pour, huh?
Yeah. Ruins the taste.
Stop cheating, old man. It's getting embarrassing knowing you.
All's fair in love and poker. You know that.
Tell me where you got the goddamn money! Tell me!
You're gonna kill me!
Get off her! Now! You son of a bitch! Get that son of a bitch!
Oh, I should have dumped that crazy bastard months ago. Thank you. Reckon he'd have killed me for sure.
You should leave here, ma'am. Find some help.
Let's get out of here. I've had about enough of this. Hey, you! You better watch where you're walking.
Jesus!
Yeah, you watch out for me or you'll be sorry.
The hell did I do? Hey, no call for that.
Yeah, you better
Even
watch
here.
yourself, pal. What? You say something?
Don't touch me now. Son of a bitch!
Hi there, sugar.
Well, that's that.